Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how you can stop ads on your phone. Please do not forget to like this video. First thing you are going to do is to go to your phone setting. Then you go to the search bar. Then you search for DNS. Then you tap on private DNS. You tap on private DNS again. Then you switch it to private DNS provider host name. Then here you write dns.adguard.com. Then you tap on save. This is how you can stop ads on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.